11 years in a row.
All right, Nate, I was driving into work today, and on the 215, it was fully sunny and cloudy.
Okay.
And then I looked over to the right, and far away, it was fully stormy and dark. And so we're getting a little bit of everything
Tale of
this
two
weekend.
worlds, right?
Yeah.
Just have to wait 15 minutes. And the conditions
Perfect
will change.
Utah weather.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, here's one of those areas that was really dark and stormy. West Jordan, again, got hit hard with some hail, heavy rains, lightning. Josh Hammond sent in this particular photo. This is off of his security footage, but it looked like nickel-size hail in these areas. Karen Lang also showing the accumulation of the hail on her patio furniture. Just a crazy amount of moisture moving through in a short period of time. In fact, some of the Weather Service reporting that at some of our higher elevations, the campgrounds that saw some of the heavy hail had about 4 inches accumulate in the short span that the system moved through that thunderstorm. Heber City Airport showing some of those dark clouds over parts of our mountain areas. The Wasatch Back still seeing some showers out there. Pretty quiet along a lot of the Wasatch Front. When we did have that severe thunderstorm roll through parts of the Salt Lake Valley, it put down over a half of an inch of moisture in West Jordan. The Transjordan Landville showing almost a half of an inch of moisture. Eden, 0.16. Strawberry Reservoir, 0.11 of an inch, along with Panguitch. Taylorsville, just a tenth of an inch there. The airport picking up just a few hundredths of an inch. So it was very isolated as far as the heavy precipitation within that thunderstorm that did form. Satellite radar still showing we have an area of low pressure overhead, so it's rotating counterclockwise, scooping up moisture from the south and bringing it right into areas of central and northern Utah. So with the direction the air mass is moving, we still have a chance for some of these storms to trickle into our valley locations. Most of the active weather right now, as I mentioned, in central, southern parts of the state, with a slight chance of that rotating around, still impacting our neck of the woods by this evening. Flood alert still in effect with the Bear River below Woodruff Narrows, the Sevier River near Hatch. And look at this, flood advisories, just the Logan River is still on there. So the Duchesne River near Randlet has fallen off from Friday. We're going to continue to see improvements with flood conditions, I think, especially as a lot of our higher elevation snowpack is starting to melt off, and we're seeing again, some chances of some significant rainfall with these storms, but overall it's not statewide. These showers and thunderstorms are mainly scattered to very isolated. Counterclockwise rotation will continue into early Sunday. We'll start to see moisture rotate around, so there's a series of low pressure systems that are impacting our weather pattern. By tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be kind of caught right in the core of it across northern Utah, so most of the showers should be around northern Utah. So central Utah has a chance of some storms, even down south. Areas like Idaho, western Wyoming have a chance of some active weather on Sunday. As we get into Monday, more of a southerly flow picks back up as a trough starts to move inland yet again. With that southerly flow, it should push moisture back into our area, giving us essentially a chance of some storms nearly each day into next week. Thunderstorm outlook then tomorrow. All areas have a risk of thunderstorms across the state. No risk or no marginal threat, essentially. So it's just a general risk of thunderstorms. We didn't have a risk of severe storms today, but ended up seeing severe thunderstorms roll through parts of the valley. St. George showing 94 for the high, partly cloudy skies on Sunday. Slight chance on Monday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy as we get into next week. Windy conditions are expected. Temperatures in the mid-90s Monday, upper 80s though Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, partly cloudy, so keeping some breezy winds out there. Mainly sunny skies though throughout much of this next work week. Wasatch Front, slight chance I think for the parade forecast. Should be in the clear tomorrow morning as that kicks off for the Pride Parade. 79 degrees, 85 on Monday. Isolated scattered thunderstorms though Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, even into next weekend. Temperatures in the mid-80s though Monday, Tuesday, dropping back down to near 80 degrees by the end of the week. Sarah?
All right, thank you.